Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Gather materials before you start to ensure a smooth build process. You will need an 8-ounce clear plastic bottle, a 1/2-inch drill bit, and a wooden dowel. Also gather a 1/4-inch rubber grommet, 4 feeding ports, weatherproof glue, and sandpaper. Wash the bottle with hot water and dry it thoroughly to remove residues. Measure and mark 2 holes 3.5 inches apart for feeding ports on the bottle. Keep your workspace ventilated and wear eye protection when drilling plastic. Secure the bottle in a clamp before you drill to prevent slipping and cracking. Use the 1/2-inch drill bit to make the marked feeding holes slowly and steadily. Insert a 1/4-inch rubber grommet into each hole to protect hummingbird bills. Fit feeding ports through the grommets, then seal them with weatherproof glue for leaks. Attach a wooden dowel 3.5 inches below the lower feeding ports as a perch. Let glue cure for 24 hours in a dry, dust-free area before filling the feeder. Prepare nectar using 1 part white granulated sugar to 4 parts water for proper strength. Boil the water, dissolve sugar, then cool the mixture to room temperature before filling. Do not add red dye because it can harm hummingbirds and offer no benefit. Hang the feeder 4 to 6 feet above the ground near flowering shrubs for visibility. Clean the feeder with hot water and a brush every 3 days in warm weather. Replace nectar every 3 to 4 days, or sooner if it becomes cloudy or smells fermented.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.